Hello everyone, welcome to a new session on Open Access Bibliographic Resources, Basic Concepts and Significance. In this session, we will study about the various open access bibliographic resources related to life sciences, the need and significance of such resources, and how to use the resources for our studies and research. Open access. Open access refers to online research outputs that are free of all restrictions on access, for example, access tolls, and free of many restrictions on use, for example, certain copyright and license restrictions. Open access can be applied to all forms of published research output, including peer-reviewed and non-peer-reviewed academic journal articles, conference papers, theses, book chapters and monographs. Two degrees of open access can be distinguished: gratis open access, which is online access free of charge, and libre open access, which is online access free of charge plus various additional usage rights. These additional usage rights are often granted through the use of various specific Creative Commons licenses. Libre open access is equivalent to the definition of open access in the Budapest Open Access Initiative and the Berlin Declaration on Open Access to Knowledge in the Sciences and Humanities. There are multiple ways authors can provide open access to their work. One way is to publish it and then self-archive it in a repository where it can be accessed for free, such as the institutional repository or a central repository such as PubMed Central. This is known as green open access. Some publishers require delays or an embargo on when a research output in a repository may be made open access. Several initiatives provide an alternative to the American and English language dominance of existing publication indexing systems, including Index Copernicus, Scielo and Redalyc. A second way authors can make their work open access is by publishing it in such a way that makes their research output immediately available from the publisher. This is known as gold open access, and within the science this often takes the form of publishing an article in either an open access journal or a hybrid open access journal. The latter is a journal whose business model is at least partially based on subscriptions and only provide gold open access for those individual articles for which their authors or their author's institution or funder pay a specific fee for publication, often referred to as an article processing charge. Pure open access journals do not charge subscription fees and may have one of a variety of business models. Many, however, do charge an article processing fee. Widespread public access to the World Wide Web in the late 1900s and early 2000s fueled the open access movement and prompted both the green open access self-archiving of non-open access journal articles and the creation of gold open access journals. Conventional non-open access journals cover publishing costs through access tolls such as subscriptions, site licenses or pay per view. Some non-open access journals provide open access after an embargo period of 6 to 12 months or longer. Active debate over the economics and reliability of various ways of providing open access continues among researchers, academics, librarians, university administrators, funding agencies, government officials, commercial publishers, editorial staff and society publishers.